Let's start our journey in the wild, and today we will talk about the largest living creature in the wild, the creature that appears huge and gigantic, but it is beautiful and cute and has a very kind heart, and most of us like him so much, so let's know more about this beautiful creature. And remember that we are here to provide you with meaningful and useful scientific content in a simple way. The beautiful and giant creature that is considered the largest living creature in the wild, which is the elephant, despite its huge size and giant size that reaches 10 tons, and its length can exceed 3.5 meters in rare cases, is very sensitive. And they feel each other to the point that when they are in it, a sad one causes the entire flock to become sad and affected because of him, and this is called emotional contagion, to the point that sometimes it leads to him crying and crying just like a human being. As for the food of elephants, we find them feeding on plants, flowers, and fruits, and sometimes they also eat tall trees. One elephant eats about 150 kilograms of food per day, which is the equivalent of 50 tons annually. If we talk about the elephant's tusks, we will find that they are very long, and what is visible from the outside is only a third of their basic length. The elephant uses them to dig to search for food and also to defend itself during a quarrel with another elephant. As for the strange and suspicious thing that will surprise you, my dear, it uses the tusks in foreplay and flirting with the female. We will also find that the elephant that has longer tusks is more attractive and more tempting to women, and the female admires him more. As for the elephant's pregnancy period, we will find that it has the longest pregnancy period of all living creatures, reaching 22 months, which means about 2 years, and we will find it giving birth about 2 or 3 times per decade. 99% of baby elephants are born at night, and when they are born, their weight is about 100 kilograms, and sometimes it reaches 120 kilograms. His vision may be almost non-existent, but he recognizes his mother through touch and sound. The most weird thing about the baby elephant is his trunk. He doesn't know what's wrong with her in the first place that it can kick him while he's walking. Because the elephant is a mammal and is born, of course we will find it breastfeeding and drinking up to 3 gallons of milk per day. It will start eating at the age of 4 months, but of course, this will not make it obsolete, as you will find it continuing to breastfeed until about 4 years of age. And if one day the mother is late for breastfeeding, the baby elephant is forced to suck his trunk to calm himself down, just like a small child. Big elephants also do this in times of danger in order to feel safe. Its lifespan is long, reaching 70 years. The thing that elephants love most is water and swimming in it. You will find the elephant is a skilled swimmer and can swim for up to 6 continuous hours without touching the bottom of the sea. And they live in groups, and the leader of the group is the big female, and the females take care of their young and take care of them very much, to the extent that they can live with them for up to 50 years. After a study they did on elephants, they proved that they have a very strong memory, their intelligence is high, and they also have the ability to draw. And this was all our information today. Wait for us in many other episodes and for more information. And always remember that we are here to provide you with meaningful and useful scientific content in a simple way. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe.